Good morning. Good morning. How are you? I wake up at 7. I wake up early every day. I open the window. The weather is nice today. I make my bed. My room looks clean now. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. The water is cold. I take a shower. I feel fresh now. I comb my hair. My hair looks good. I get dressed. I wear a white shirt today. I go to the kitchen. I am hungry. I make breakfast. I cook eggs and toast. I pour some coffee. The coffee smells good. I sit at the table. I eat my breakfast slowly. I check my phone. I read my messages. I put on my shoes. I am ready to go out. I walk to the bus stop. The street is busy. I meet my friend. Hello. Nice to see you. We go to a cafe. I order a cup of tea. I study English every day. Practice makes me better. Goodbye. See you tomorrow.